Well, I slept okay. This is all the breakfast that I have. Airplane food. Guess we're gonna have to make the most of it. Look at this plate. It's so janky. This thing's held up by a nail. Can't even open it because otherwise it'll fall off. Then you got the bathroom. Looks like it's about to just collapse before us. It's all cracked up. I mean, again, the place works. It's fine. Is it a body? Probably shouldn't check that. Home sweet home. Let's see what outside looks like. Woo! In the middle of a jungle. Damn, there's like a moat around the house just to keep the water out. There's my car. It's a Japanese car, so the wheels is on the passenger side of an American car, but I'm driving on American roads, which means I'm on the right side of the road. All right, let's do this. All right, we're gonna hit the road now and try out this thing. Interesting, a Japanese vehicle, eh? All right. Coffee beans. Let's give it a go. So here's the issue is there's no connection on this island whatsoever. My phone is not connecting, so I gotta see how I can even find my way around without it. Sometimes your phone will still actually know where you're at, but if I can get to at least the main road, I'm kind of familiar with myself, but we'll see. So my phone's not connecting at all, not even to the map. I can't even find a map of the island. So we're gonna have to just wing it. We're gonna have to start driving and see where we end up. We're gonna have to go old school days, stopping in gas stations or asking around. Cause I need a map, at least a map of a road to show me, okay, what's the main road and how do I get to the main city? If I can do that, then maybe I can at least get back here. Not working. Breakfast time. Trying to figure out the map. Yeah. Fruit. Big old breakfast. Look at that. That's perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you. All right. Yeah. Let's check this out. Someone's been doing a little bit too snuff. Ooh. It's extremely luscious and vegetative. That's what you'd expect. Especially after last night, I like the rain. So we're on the Island Paradise Resort in Palau. It's very quiet and very nice little clean kept community. But we got ourselves some snacks. I mean, I don't know. Just kind of going with the flow right now with what things are. I mean, I've kind of just been driving around all day. Now I'm gonna try and go up and do a hike by Waterfall up north to get there. So we're driving to the north side of the island right now. It's about an hour to the north side from the south. So essentially you can get around the whole island in about 2 hours for the most part. I know, especially if we're cruising at a good speed. It's probably gonna rain again. It seems to be the island of rain. The island of monsoons all day long. Look at that. So tropical. Like a luscious rainforest. And I don't know where there's gas stations. They still have no phone reception. And well, we're kind of just winging it, making the most of it, so. Cities of the jury, we have come here before us today to do a great announcement, something that is beyond worth discussing, therefore we will not discuss it here. But as you can see, this is our capital. We have done so much for this place. It is only going to get better from here on forth. It will not be worse, never. We will make this a very wet island, as wet as can be. It will continue to rain every single day. Palau National Capital, in Palau. Let's see if we can go inside it. Yeah, why don't we? Why don't we see if we can go inside the capital of Palau? I don't want to melt in this rain. I should put my bathing suit on as I'm walking. Oh my gosh. See if we can go inside. I don't know. Well, we're inside. I don't see anyone though. Quite a grand lobby. I'm whispering because I don't know who's here. Hello? Hello, hello. Hi there. How are you? Well, I'm good. Yeah, fabulous.
These are my bosses.
These are your bosses, huh? All of them? Who's this guy? Yeah. Let's go upstairs.
Structure, the house of elements, and then
Authorized personnel. Please turn on cell phone. No cell phone here.
This is where the public comes to listen to session.
Oh, so they do kind of like court hearings and. Or...
I should have turned on the lights.
Oh, that's okay. I need to get a flag. I try to get a flag of every country. Do you know where I'd be able to find a flag of?
I have one. I can give it to you,
What?
but it's small.
That's perfect. I only need something small. She's got a flag.
We just finished the regular session.
Okay, so they're in recess right now.
So we have.
How long have you been here for?
I've been here, and this is my 30th year.
30 years.
Yeah.
30 years. That's a nice amount.
This is Sandra.
Sandra, hello.
The committee staff.
Comedic staff.
CIP.
Yes. How are you?
I don't know your name.
Jeremy.
Jeremy.
Yes.
I'm in.
And
yeah.
pleasure. Yeah, I got a bag. Woo, and a flag.
Yeah, and a flag.
A flag of Palau.
Yeah.
Ta-da.
There's my card.
Thank you. Thank you, man.
If you want to come back again.
Yeah, absolutely. Maybe when they're not in recess, you know. Well, that was nice. We got some tours. So we got a dolphin tour boat departure tomorrow morning before I leave. We got a flag in a bag. Got some goodies to go. It was their 25th anniversary, so it's their 25th independent anniversary from, I think it's from the United States, but. Ooh. I feel so royal. Like I'm in some kind of lavish kingdom, some palace. A beer pong table. Well, the capital is so clean and pristine. Very fancy. Not too bad. What do you do when you find yourself in the middle of a very estranged island? Well, you stop. It is quiet out here! And there is no one around. Though, by the way, this is one of the islands where Survivor, the show, did one of the filmings, one of the seasons. 2 of the seasons, I believe. We find ourselves in the middle of the rainforest. There's a little bit of water for us to drink. Oh, man. We make it across. It is a breeze. We're in the rainforest, and there's no coconuts in the trees. Like, where are we gonna find food? I only got dogs in the road. I only know where I'm going. I don't know if I should even go this way now because there's pooches here. Maybe I'll just reverse. I'm just driving around this whole island. It's all abandoned. There's no one around. We're going to the waterfall.